FIWS asks, when one uses Effect.Retry, what error gets propagated if the retries also fail, and why? I mean, that's kind of an easy one to answer even without looking at code, but basically, like the retry, if your policy fails, like if you exhaust the number of retries or if you exhaust the schedule that you've passed into the retry combinator, it's whatever error you're retrying on that'll get propagated. So like that's why the error channel doesn't necessarily get erased when you use effect.retry. Maybe I could take a look at a quick example. So in here, if we've got like a failing effect, right? This thing, bring it to the center of the screen. I probably need to make this bigger. One sec. This thing here fails with the string, and maybe we can even make this more like easier to understand. Class my error extends data.tagged error my error, right? And then we'll do new my error. So now we've got a failing effect. It fails with my error. If we failing effect, and we pipe this to like a retry. Let's say we do it 5 times with a schedule dot fixed. And we can probably even make it more explicit that the thing is failing by adding an effect dot tap error. So catch. And then we'll run this thing. Effect.run promise program. So let's let this thing run. It's going to fail 5 times. And then the program's going to fail with my error. And the reason, and the type system helps you here too, right? If I look at the return type of program and I remove this catch, you'll see that my error gets propagated up. Because like, yes, you're retrying, but retry can't really remove the error type from the error channel here because it's not it's not a terminal handling of said error, right? You're only potentially retrying for a fixed number of attempts or on a particular schedule. Like, yes, your schedule could be infinite, but the point is, like, when you're retrying a particular program that failed, the error that gets propagated through is whatever error caused the most recent retry to fire. Like if you fail, it's like whatever errors are up here or what would get propagated out down here if the retry policy got exhausted, if that makes sense.
Eventually, you have to handle the error. Eventually.
I was about to at you again about the screen size. That easy ban. Easy ban. Can you include something dynamic in the error, like a date? Sure.
Counter or something like that. Oh.
Yeah. Timestamp. Or maybe actually a date is better because then it'll print out nice. So you can see the date going up in time here and then the final error that occurs. It's not hard to demonstrate, like, you're always gonna get whatever the most recent error is, when it hits the retry, if the retry has been exhausted, then that's the error you're gonna get coming out the other end. Do you want like, I can also log it here if that helps. Effect Effect.catch all effect.log error. And then we can watch it one more time. So this is the final retry, right? This was the initial program that errored. This is the first retry, second retry, third retry, fourth retry, fifth retry. And then this log here is the one that comes out the other end, which is the same instance as this one. It's the exact same error. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if it doesn't, FIWS.